Yeah, exactly.
Huh?
Where are you living? Where are
Yeah.
you living?
I live in France, in Paris, the city
Where?
of love. The
Oh,
Paris,
Paris.
the
Okay.
city of love. Yes. It is the
Okay.
lovers.
We-
It is the lovers. They come, they in the Tour Eiffel, and they go. You ever see
Okay.
Paris?
Yes. You are basically from Somalia, I think.
No, I am Somali. Like I am
Hmm.
from Djibouti. You know Djibouti? Djibouti is my country.
Okay, this is great. So how's life going on?
My life it is good. Wallahi, every time I am on the live, I talk with the people like you. I don't know, like I talk every time. I am happy every time. All the problem is I marka on live struggle every time I am on the live. I forget my problems when I talk with the
MashaAllah, that's
people.
great.
It's like that.
Really, a lot of people
Yeah,
liking you too much, and everyone just waiting to call you and to talk with you.
yeah, yeah. I see. I can see that. What is your
Yes,
name,
even
brother?
my name is Abdullah Azam.
Abdullah Assam. Mashallah. Are you single?
Yes, I'm single, but
Me
I'm just
too.
50-50.
Fifth. Are you
I'm
the
nearly just
kid?
engaged. Yes,
You
I'm
do that?
nearly just engaged.
Okay. Don't okay this because I don't like the single fathers.
Okay, but
Mm.
I'm nearly
I
just
like the
engaged.
single, but like in the kids, I don't like because the mother I am not ready.
Okay, why you didn't get engaged?
Huh?
Why you didn't get engagement? Why you didn't do the engagement?
Engagement. I don't. I am not ready because right now I am ready just on the life. Just talk with the people. I am happy like that. Like one day, if I need a husband, I will engagement. Inshallah.
Okay, okay. May Allah give you
And
a
you?
good and nice
What you
person.
waiting? What you waiting for? You? Why you still single? You handsome. You don't find a
I'm
girl?
I found, but I'm just collecting money to get a nice wedding party. That's why.
You like the big weddings because
Yes,
money, small money, it's
I
enough, huh?
want. Yes, I want to make a big party and everyone just to come and join and be happy. Everyone to celebrate it.
Well, that's good. Like in and nowadays, the big weddings, it is a waste of the money. You know that? Because the day you will marry, the next day the people will talk. They say, "Hey, Abdullah, in this wedding, I didn't eat well," and you gave a
Yeah.
lot of money, so you don't care.
I,
You get married and you travel in Paris if you want
mm,
to.
yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
that's
But
advice.
I'm
Yeah.
working now. By profession, I'm engineer and we're working with the international organization.
Ooh. ونعرس لكم. Engineering, it is the good. It is good. Me, I become the doctor, inshallah.
Inshallah. You are studying now, I think.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
this is great.
where do you live? In England, of
I'm
course.
living in. No, no. I'm living in Kabul.
Ah, that's different because a lot of rare Afghanistan they live in London. Every time I talk with them, it is the London.
Exactly. But we like you. This is why a lot of people here just they like your feed and all are just waiting to talk with you.
Yeah, they are in queue. They are waiting for me. It is عادي. Because I am back. That's why. And more absence. They miss me.
Mhm.
Huh? That's true, huh, my people. You miss
Yes,
me. Yes.
exactly. People like
Yeah,
you
me
too
too.
much,
I miss
really.
them.
I will show your video to someone also.
Oh, thank you. I can. It is your first time you see my barnamish or every day you just watch.
No, no, I'm watching sometimes that I receive your notification. I just on that. Sometimes when you are talking, I am just going to on with whom you are talking. But you should talk to you
Okay.
should talk with anyone, everyone that in English that is better because everyone that we can understand it. Sometimes when you're talking in Somali in another language, for us the difficult to
Yeah.
understand. That's why we are not.
I'm sorry because my barnamish it is universal. Every people it is here. So I have to talk sometimes in Somali to understand the people here, sometimes in English, sometimes in Arabic, sometimes in French. So every people will
Okay.
understand. You understand?
Okay.
That's why.
Have a good time
And
and be safe and well, and a lot of wishes for you and happy and good life.
thank you, thank you. And if you're looking for a beautiful Somali girls, there are a lot in the life. They are watching you. After I will
Mm-hmm.
send you. Yeah. Off baan kugu soo xidhin. Well, one girl, inshallah. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sending me. If you want,
I
I will find for you a good one and a handsome and a good person for you also.
thank you. Me, I want a man cook for me because I am tired of cooking. Me, I
Oh,
if you have man cook for me, I am ready. Send it to my way, yeah.
you want it? You accept me?
Mm.
You
No,
want?
no, you are my clients. Hey, I don't play with that. Me,
Okay.
I am off adana. Okay. I don't wasakhnimo professional. I am professional.
Mm,
I don't drag my clients. You
mm.
follow me. I don't have to. You understand? Like in your
Okay.
friend is maybe yeah.
No, I will find someone that
I will send
can
you.
cook. You want it? I send you a cook.
A cook. It is wallahi, it is good. Every time I eat
Mm.
because I love eating. It is good the eating. If you send me one cook, I will be happy.
So, which kind of food that you like?
Every food. Wixii ku cunin ba waa la cunaa. And there
But
is
I
there is
don't like.
some proverb
Look
in
here.
Somali.
But I don't like
No,
Somalian
I
food. They
am
are
I am
mixing
explaining. Mm.
bananas and rice, and they are eating like that. I don't like bananas with the rice.
It is good. Have you ever tasted banana with the rice? Wow,
Yes,
so
exactly.
it is wallahi, it is good.
I studied in Pakistan engineering, and I did master now
Uh-huh.
from University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. There we had friends, I think 7 to 8 friends from Somalia. All I think they are watching me
Hey.
right now, and they were
Yes.
with us. They were eating, and they were mixing the bananas and
Uh-huh.
rice, and just eating like that.
And you were shocked.
Yes, we the first time how bananas with rice. But now after did we familiar with that, and now we are that's normal for us.
Yeah, Somali people they are crazy, huh? Like in they are my people. I love them. Me,
Yes.
I don't eat the bananas with the rice. I don't like because the sugar and the milk and the salt the same time I
Yeah,
can't.
I also maybe I will
Mm.
something will happen if I eat it like that. I can't eat like them.
Yeah, like it is good. I try one day and it was good. I was never disappointed.
But yeah, it's
Like in
nice. Yeah.
I don't like. Mm.
Okay.
Like in Abdullah, I ask you something. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
And if you see my barnamish, every people come here and we talk after. If you wanted to sing, to sing. Can you sing?
No, I don't like singing really. I am Hafiz.
No, everyone knows how to sing. Stop lying.
But I think this might be familiar.
Because
My failure that I can't.
ah
Sandera
no,
do
no, it is
it.
okay in every language. In
Mhm.
Pakistani language, in Afghanistan language, every language you want to sing, I am here to listen. Yeah.
Believe me, I can sing. Believe me, this one.
Okay, okay.
I
That's
like
why
I like Indian
the
songs.
mm,
I like
mm,
Indian songs and mostly hearing the Indian songs, but I can't remember
Shahrukh
and
Khan.
I can't memorize that exactly. That's why the reason is that.
Chori choria boli kangena. You know,
Wow.
huh?
You have to sing now
Yes,
for me.
you know. No, if you sing, I will sing. If you wanted to be Shahrukh Khan, I wanted to be Kajal, and we sing together. Like it is, you know, mas ka din yan,
You are
okay?
going to be For me, Kajol, and I'll be Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's too much difficult.
We will pick. Yeah, we will pick one song, the Lamano, the two, and you sing the man is part and me the woman is part. Me, I
Oh,
love
okay.
Kajal, and yes, I choose Kajal or Ashwarya. It is okay. They both beautiful.
No, but
Okay.
just once you just to sing for me, then after I will decide and I will sing a little bit for you.
No, that's shahad. I know. It's called the shahad.
I
No,
will not.
I
I
know,
will
I
not
know.
cheating you. I will not cheating you. Just only little. Just you have to sing for me, and after that I will also little bit. I think I will try just, but I couldn't really. I just tried many times, but
No,
I couldn't.
you know it's not good to lie. Huh? It's haram.
Yes.
So don't lie. When I
I will
sing,
just.
mm,
Okay,
you
just
don't
I will
run
sing
away because
little. I
because
know
in
the
Abyss
song.
you run away. I don't like that.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, me, I know a lot of Indian songs because when in Somalia and in Djibouti and back in the country, when we were child in the childhood, the one thing we listen and we watch it is the Bollywood. Waaba ku soo
Mhm.
kornay, we grown up with the Bollywood. Me and marka I know automatically all the song. Lakin my favorite song waxa weeyaan I don't have the voice, huh? Like in Sky. You know,
No,
no,
very
I
nice.
don't know the voice. Too.
Very nice, really. The tune is very nice.
Uh, kene terara, une pyare harara, kane tumse tune pyane, basa kalize galo, and they run. Lakin why always they run? The Indians people in every song they run. Why? Well, I don't understand. The boy it is running and the girls it is running.
You
Hey,
made me too much love.
wallahi, they are too much drama. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In real life, you don't run like that. You at the beach, and the girl in the boy it's saying "Ture biare," and it is opening, and the girl it's running. Why? Besinka. In real life, you don't do that. Wallahi, they are lying.
Yes, exactly.
Hey,
They
now
are
it's
lying.
your turn. Now it's your turn. Yeah? I don't forget.
I will try just a little, but I think maybe one sentence or little.
Okay, it is good.
I think I will. I never sing in my life, either. Never ever. I just tried just to sing.
Everything you do
But
first time.
I like one song. Dil ye dil mera dil.
Woo! That's a good
Yes,
song.
I this my favorite one. Yes.
Aye.
Uh, Bipasha Basu sing, and that song is Bipasha Basu.
Okay, and say the first word. Come like
Dil
that I remember.
ye dil mera dil. Dil ye dil mera dil.
Yeah, but how you sing? Dil mera ding like that? I don't know.
Yes, I don't know really. I don't know.
No, well, you run away. I don't like that. You say you
No,
sing first. I think now it's your turn, Abdullah. Stop playing.
believe me, I never sing any song, and just I told you that I like this song too much.
It is the
Mm.
song love song.
Yes,
Yeah, every Indian people it's love song. Every time love song, love.
yes,
Hey, Abdullah.
exactly. So
Okay.
your turn now. You have to sing for me.
No, I already sing one time. Second time, no. I say no. So I
You got
will.
angry at me now.
Yes, that's not good. You are a big man. Why you lying to me? I don't
No,
like
I'm not
lies.
lying. No,
Hmm.
I'm not lying. But I said that I will just tell you one sentence from the song that Dil ye
You said
dil
one
mera dil.
sentence, and you said the title of the song. It's crazy.
Okay, I will tell you a little more.
Okay, it's good.
जाने क्या क्या क्या
Well, I like men who shy. They're beautiful. Well, when you shy, man.
I can memorize. You're
Hey,
happy
what
now,
do
I
you
think.
think? You close the eyes. Me, I turn it around so I don't see you. Yeah?
I will tell.
Allah. When the
I
man
can't
when
really.
men are
I'm so
trying to
sorry.
rise up.
Believe me, I will try and just sing for you, but I think difficult for me. And I can memorize that. I can remember exactly just a title in Africa. I am forgetting that.
Okay, hi, but it's good. Wallahi,
But I
me,
am
I don't
marrying
like.
from Africa. But I am
No,
marrying
I
from
don't like
Africa.
the. Woo!
Yes, from Africa.
What?
I am marrying from Africa.
You?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good news, huh?
Yes. All Somalian friends. So,
Mashallah. You want chocolate woman? Chocolate.
mm, yes, I all are same. Even it is whatever color. No,
Okay.
yes,
Yes, because
but
and okay,
good
which
heart.
country?
Good heart. If I
Good
want
house.
from Somalia also, I want.
Oh, habloy, what arkaysiinde? Lacag baa istaa weliba inanka. I tell you, I tell the woman if you want. Inanku lacag baa istaa waa engineer. Yaa u baahan. Isku soo yaaca. Khayrkan iga faa'iidaysanayay. I tell you, the people they here, there are a lot of women who are single. How old are you, Harta? How old are you? I am looking
I
for a wife
am
for you.
1994 as my date of birth.
1994. So you are 24. Huh?
Yes.
You
Yeah.
are a baby, wallahi baby. Inanku waa 24 jir, halkanay ka socotaa. 24
Mm.
jir, and he is single. And he is from Afghanistan too. You have
You
money, huh? You need money for the wedding.
for wedding, I am working. I think you'll find for me too much girls. All will sending me. Then what I will do?
Who's whatever? No. And I say the pronunciation. No, the announcement. I make an announcement, and now all the girls when they come, you say this girl it's not my type. This girl it's not my type. This one it is my type. It's my halal type, and you halal there. Yeah,
But I want, but I want a
what?
doctor or engineer. Doctor or engineer.
Doctor and engineer
Good
you
heart.
want? Mm.
Good heart. Doctor and engineer.
Like in the people they are asking you and one question. Okay.